Have you ever wondered how legends like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Muhammad Ali were able to stay so focused on their work? They also had the same 24 hours in a day as we have, but the only difference is that they learned to control distractions and achieve their goals. But he learned to focus like a laser. This was the real secret of his success.
Steve
Jobs and Muhammad Ali made focus their biggest strength in their lives, whereas Elon Musk is still making companies like Tesla and SpaceX successful with the same focus. Imagine if you too developed such a mindset where you concentrate 100% on every task and your productivity increases so much that people ask you, how do you manage all this? Steve Jobs said that focus means doing those things, say no to what is not necessary.
Elon
Musk made his vision so clear by removing distractions that he made impossible projects like Tesla and SpaceX possible. And Muhammad Ali used to imagine himself as a winner before every fight. This was the biggest focus, was the weapon. Friends, in this audiobook I will tell you some powerful techniques to increase focus by adopting which you can achieve even the seemingly impossible goals of your life. These are the same techniques that have been adopted by the most successful people in the world.
So,
if you can eliminate distractions and complete any task 100%, then you will be able to do it 100%. Want to complete with focus and want to achieve your goals quickly, then like this video now and write in the comment below, focus is my superpower, so that we can know that you are also a part of this journey. So let's start. Friends, of your focus journey, there is a boy named Rohan. Every time he sits down to study, he gets some notification on his phone. Sometimes a meme on social media makes him laugh. Sometimes a friend's message makes him laugh. When he tries to avoid it, a question starts ringing in his mind. Why is this work so boring? And then he finds himself trapped in the labyrinth of procrastination. When Rohan's exams were approaching and he was falling behind in studies, then he realized that his biggest problem was distraction. He felt, if I don't control my distractions, they will control my success. Friends, Rohan first try to know why he gets distracted. He noticed that his biggest distraction is his phone whenever he sits down to study or work. Notifications used to consume all his attention. One time he just went on Instagram for 10 minutes and then 2 hours passed. He realized that it's not just social media, but even his own thoughts that distract him, like, I'll do this later, or let me take some rest first. Friends, after a few days, Rohan started putting his phone on silent mode. He started keeping his phone in another room during work. When he did this, he felt a strange peace. Friends, always keep in mind that your attention goes where your energy goes. If your energy is going towards destruction, then you will never be able to be productive. Friends, one day Rohan read about the Pomodoro technique. He thought, why not try it?
technique
means that you work for 25 minutes without any interruption and then take a 5-minute break. On the first day, he thought that he would only solve maths for 25 minutes. He set a timer and told himself, just 25 minutes and then I will take a break. Rohan was surprised to see that before the 25 minutes were over, he had solved many problems. In the 5 minutes break, he rewarded himself by stretching for a while, drinking water, and then getting back to work. This technique kept his mind fresh and helped him to concentrate for a long time. Friends, when you work in small time blocks, then your mind does not get tired quickly and you do not feel the burden of work. Think like in a marathon race. If you try to run very fast, then you will get tired quickly. But if you keep walking slowly at a steady pace, you can easily cover long distances. Similarly, by dividing the work into smaller parts, you can work with more focus and energy. Take a small break after every 25 minutes. This refreshes your mind, and you are ready for the next task. Be prepared. This method prevents you from burning out quickly and helps you accomplish your goals efficiently. Rohan realized that sometimes his attention was diverted because he did not know what he had to do first. What to do? He used to start any work at random, and after a while he used to get bored. One day he made a to-do list first thing in the morning. He divided his tasks according to priority. He wrote maths from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. He has to solve 5 chapters of Hindi. After that, he has to study English grammar from 10:15 to 11. Then from 11:5 to 12, he has to make notes of the story. He noticed that when all his tasks are planned in advance, then his mind remains clear and he is able to focus completely on his work. Friends, you should also plan your day by taking out just 10 minutes every morning. Keep the most important tasks first. This will save you from wasting your time and energy in decision-making throughout the day. Friends, we won't do it today. Rohan, he has learned the art of fighting distractions. He knows that he has to first identify the distractions. He learned from the Pomodoro technique that working in small chunks of time increases his focus, and the to-do list has increased his productivity manifold. Dia, now think if Rohan can do all this, then why can't you? You just have to identify your distractions and adopt the right techniques. Remember, distractions don't just steal time, it also takes away your dreams from you. So now it's your turn. Are you ready to defeat distractions? Friends, one thing the world's greatest achievers have learned is that if you want to turn your dreams into reality, you have to master mental focus. From Michael Jordan to Elon Musk, every great person has mastered mental focus. Man has used the power of his mind in the right way. Today we will talk about 3 such techniques which these legends adopted, and with their help, got extraordinary results. Friends, these are not just tips, these are the weapons which took these people to the heights of greatness. Ali of the world, one of the greatest boxers of all time. He had a different energy when he entered the ring. But do you know where did he get this confidence and focus from? Ali always called himself the greatest, but these were not just his words, rather, he had a preset belief in his mind. He used to imagine himself as the winner before every fight. He used to see his every punch, every move, and the picture of raising his hand at the end repeatedly in his mind. Ali used to say, "If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it." Friends, this means that if your mind can imagine a goal and your heart can believe in it, then you can surely achieve it. This is their visualization. The technique made his subconscious mind so strong that he would enter each fight with laser focus. Friends, do you know how tremendous your thinking power can be? Take just 5 minutes every day and close your eyes. Imagine yourself seeing your dreams come true. Imagine you landed your dream job. Have you achieved something or closed a big deal? Imagine that you are standing on a big stage. People are applauding you, and you are celebrating your achievements. When you visualize yourself like this, your mind starts focusing on those achievements. You start considering goals as a good way. This process trains your subconscious mind to work on the path that will lead you to your goal. It makes your mind laser focused by keeping it away from distractions and makes you feel inspired every day. So friends, use your imagination from today and start moving towards your dreams. Remember, whatever you can think, you can achieve it. Friends, Apple's co-founder Steve Jobs changed the world, but do you know about what was the biggest secret of creativity and focus? Steve Jobs used to meditate every day. He was so influenced by Jain Buddhism in Japan that he made it a part of his daily life. Meditation gave him clarity and eliminated his mental distractions. Jobs' friends once said, "If you just sit and observe, you will see how restless your mind is. But over time it comes, and when it does, you hear more subtle things." This means that if you just sit and observe carefully, then you will feel that your mind is very restless, but with time it becomes calm. And when it becomes calm, you start hearing small things. These same sounds helped him find solutions to every small and big problem. Friends, if a visionary person like Steve Jobs could create the world's most innovative company with the help of meditation, then if you're a psychiatrist, then you too can achieve your goals. Just take out 10 minutes every day. Close your eyes and concentrate on your deep breathing. When you concentrate on your breathing, your mind becomes calm and all your anxiety and stress are reduced. This is the time when you can feel the creativity and clarity inside you. This practice clears your thoughts and inspires you to move in the right direction. So imagine if a great person like Steve Jobs adopted it, then you too would have done the same. You can also include this in your life and fulfill your dreams. You can do it. Friends, Elon Musk is the visionary leader of Tesla and SpaceX. People are surprised to think about his productivity and focus, but do you know why his focus is so sharp? The answer is that he designs his entire environment himself, due to which he reaches closer to his destination every moment. Friends, Musk's workspace is such where there are only those things that support his work. He has his meetings on time. There is no distraction, no extra chit-chat. Musk says focus on signal over no's don't waste time on things that don't actually make things better. This means that you should focus only on important things and ignore unnecessary things. Do and waste time on things that don't make your life or work better. Friends, they have simplified their life. They have only one goal: achieving results. This is the biggest reason for their focus. Friends, if you want to achieve your goals, then first of all, create an environment around you that enhances your productivity. Increase if you are surrounded by distractions, like it will be very difficult to focus if you have a messy table, noise, or your phone is constantly giving notifications. So keep your workspace clean and organized. Create an environment where everything reminds you of your goals. Keep only those things on your desk that are important to you. It is important for work, and your phone is on silent mode. When your environment is calm, clean, and purpose-driven, your mind naturally feels focused and motivated. Friends, this small change can increase your productivity manifold and help you to be more productive every day. It can take you closer to your goals. Friends, after adopting these 3 techniques, you can defeat any distraction. Muhammad Ali trained his subconscious mind with visualization. Steve Jobs worked his mind with meditation. And Elon Musk trained his the environment was made such that they could focus only on the results. Friends, this technique is not limited to celebrities only. These tools are universal. If these techniques have led them to success, then these can make you extraordinary too. Now the question is, can you also achieve success with your Are you ready to turn your mind into a laser-focused machine? Remember, greatness always begins with the way you think. So start today. Friends, have you ever noticed that the most successful people in the world are so successful because of some superhuman ability? No, but you become extraordinary because of your laser-like focus. Friends, Steve Jobs had said that focusing also means saying no to things that are not important for you. When you are completely focused on a single goal, then the rest of the things start to look irrelevant. Jobs worked only on those projects in his life which took him to the next level of innovation. That is why he created things like iPad and Mac, which were ahead of their time. Friends, focus was on productivity and exponential growth. Imagine if you pay a little attention to 10 things every day, you will not be able to make significant progress anywhere. But if you focus completely on just one thing, your output will increase manifold. Michael Phelps, who is the most successful athlete in the Olympics, he is a gold medal winning athlete and always focused on his swimming practice
And
kept distractions away. It was the result of his dedication and focus that he mastered every technique of swimming. Friends, focus not only increases productivity, but also helps you achieve your goals quickly. Friends, visionary leaders like Elon Musk believe in deep focus, not multitasking. Whether it is Tesla or SpaceX, Musk always focuses on the most important tasks first. Instead of dividing his energy into many parts, he puts it in one place. This is the reason why he achieves great success even in a short time. And always let's move ahead, friends. Another biggest advantage of focus is that it boosts your self-confidence. When you complete a task without distraction, then it satisfactorily starts a positive cycle inside you.
it
Feels like you can overcome any challenge. Roger Federer is one of the greatest tennis players in the world.
he
Says consistency and focus are the keys that take you from average to extraordinary. Federer improved his game when he laser-focused on his weaknesses, took it to the next level, but the focus was only. It is important not only to achieve goals, but also to maintain your inner peace. When your mind is scattered, anxiety and stress start increasing. But when you focus your attention on one place, your mind remains calm. Focus is considered so important in yoga and meditation that Dalai Lama, a well-known Tibetan spiritual leader and Nobel Peace Prize winner, once said that the mind is everything. What you focus on, you become. This means that whatever we focus on, that becomes a part of our life. If we put our mind in the right direction, then we can become what we want. So friends, use focus as a tool. It will increase your productivity, make your goals achievable, and it will take you towards a fulfilled
life.
Remember, the path to success can be difficult, but focus is the light that makes this path clear and well veiled. Friends, if you also want to bring this light in your life, then eliminate distractions today. Take off and make your dreams. Take the first step towards achieving your goals. Friends, focus is the magic that can take you from average to extraordinary. Whether it is the vision of Muhammad Ali, the clarity-driven mindset of Steve Jobs, or the priority-based productivity of Elon Musk, all these legends teach one thing. When you leave distractions behind and focus on your goals like a laser, then no power in the world can stop you. Your focus is your biggest strength. Remember, where there is focus, there is energy, and where there is energy, there is success. Now it is your turn. Can you focus on your distractions? Are you ready to beat this and transform into the person you always wanted to be? Friends, if you liked this audiobook and you learned something new from it, then do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are also working hard in their field, struggling to bring focus. And yes, subscribe to our channel, because here you will keep getting such powerful and life-changing content. Tell us by commenting below. What is your biggest distraction, and what will you do to overcome it? Friends, let us know your journey. Thank you. I am glad to be a part of it.